Hi everyone! Welcome back to Money is Money. Today, we're going to talk about how to save money on groceries. Groceries can be a significant expense, but with some smart strategies, you can reduce your grocery bill without sacrificing quality or nutrition. We'll cover everything from meal planning and making a shopping list to using coupons and buying in bulk. These tips are designed to help you save money while still enjoying delicious and healthy meals. So grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. Start by planning your meals for the week. This helps you buy only what you need and avoid impulse purchases. Begin by choosing meals that your family enjoys and that fit within your budget. Consider using recipes that share common ingredients to maximize your shopping efficiency and minimize waste. Once you have your meals selected, create a detailed shopping list based on the ingredients required for each meal. Make sure to check your pantry, refrigerator, and freezer to see what items you already have on hand. This step prevents you from buying duplicates and helps you save money by using what you already own. Planning meals also allows you to take advantage of sales and discounts. For instance, if you notice that chicken is on sale, you can plan several meals around that ingredient. Additionally, planning can help you prepare healthier meals, reducing the need for last-minute takeout or unhealthy snacks. Finally, stick to your meal plan as much as possible throughout the week. This discipline not only helps you save money but also reduces food waste and makes mealtime less stressful. Remember, a well-thought-out meal plan is a powerful tool for keeping your grocery spending under control. Once you've planned your meals, the next step is to make a detailed shopping list. Categorize your list by sections such as fruits, vegetables, meats, dairy, grains, and so on. This organization makes your shopping trip more efficient and ensures you don't miss any items. Sticking to your list is crucial for saving money. It helps you stay focused and prevents you from being tempted by unnecessary items or impulse buys. As you walk through the aisles, refer to your list and avoid browsing sections that you don't need to shop in. Having a shopping list also helps you take advantage of sales and discounts more effectively. If you see a good deal on an item you frequently use, you can stock up without buying items you don't need. Additionally, a list helps you avoid multiple trips to the store, which saves time and reduces the chance of making extra purchases. Before you head to the store, check for any coupons or discounts that can be applied to the items on your list. There are many apps and websites that offer digital coupons, which can be a great way to save even more. Remember, the goal is to buy only what you need for the week, based on your meal plan. This methodical approach will help you control your grocery budget and reduce waste, making your shopping trips more productive and cost-effective. Take advantage of coupons and store discounts to maximize your savings on groceries. Start by looking for coupons in various sources such as newspapers, online coupon sites, and store apps. Many stores have digital coupons that you can easily load onto your loyalty card or use directly from your phone. Using coupons effectively can lead to substantial savings. For example, if you have a coupon for a specific brand of cereal and that cereal is also on sale, you can combine the coupon with the sale price for an even greater discount. This strategy is called stacking, and it can make a big difference in your grocery bill. Additionally, consider signing up for store loyalty programs. These programs often provide members with exclusive discounts, personalized coupons, and rewards points that can be redeemed for future savings. Some stores also offer double or triple points days, where you can earn extra points on your purchases. Another tip is to be aware of store sales cycles. Many stores have regular sales on specific items, often following a 6 to 8 week cycle. If you know when certain items are likely to go on sale, you can plan your purchases accordingly and stock up when prices are at their lowest. Don't forget to check for manufacturer coupons on the product's official websites. Some brands offer printable coupons or digital rebates that can be claimed after purchase. Also, explore cashback apps that give you money back on certain grocery items, adding another layer of savings. Using coupons and taking advantage of discounts requires a bit of planning and organization, but the effort is well worth it. By incorporating these strategies into your grocery shopping routine, you can significantly reduce your overall food costs without compromising on quality. Buying in bulk can be a great way to save money on groceries, especially for items you use regularly. When you purchase larger quantities of staple items like rice, pasta, canned goods, and cleaning supplies, you often pay a lower price per unit compared to buying smaller packages. This strategy not only helps reduce your grocery bill but also minimizes the frequency of shopping trips. Start by identifying the items you use frequently and consider buying them in bulk from warehouse stores, discount retailers, or online suppliers. For example, items like rice, pasta, flour, sugar, and cooking oil are great candidates for bulk purchases. Additionally, non-perishable items such as canned vegetables, beans, and sauces can be stored for long periods without spoiling. When buying in bulk, it's important to ensure that you have adequate storage space to keep these items properly. Invest in airtight containers to maintain freshness and prevent pests from contaminating your food. Label and date your bulk purchases so you can keep track of their shelf life and use them in a timely manner. While bulk buying can lead to significant savings, it's essential to avoid overpurchasing items that you might not use before they expire. Focus on products with a long shelf life and those that your household consumes regularly. Another tip is to split bulk purchases with friends or family members. This way, you can still take advantage of the lower prices without worrying about storage space or potential waste. For example, buying a large bag of potatoes or a case of canned goods can be shared among multiple households, ensuring everyone saves money while getting the quantities they need. Buying in bulk can be a smart financial strategy when done thoughtfully. By purchasing larger quantities of frequently used items and storing them properly, you can enjoy significant savings on your grocery bills over time. Before you shop, take some time to compare prices at different stores. This simple step can help you find the best deals and save a significant amount on your groceries. Start by checking weekly flyers from various stores in your area. Many stores offer digital flyers that you can view online, making it easy to compare prices from the comfort of your home. Look for sales, special promotions, and discounts on the items you plan to buy. Using price comparison websites and apps can also be very helpful. These tools allow you to enter the products you're looking for and see prices from multiple retailers side by side. This way, you can quickly identify the best deals without having to visit each store. When comparing prices, don't forget to consider unit prices. Sometimes, the larger package might seem like a better deal, but the unit price per ounce, pound, or liter, will give you a clearer picture of the true cost. Many stores display unit prices on the shelf label, making it easier for you to compare products of different sizes and brands. Switching to a different store can also lead to significant savings. While you might be used to shopping at a specific grocery store, exploring other options such as discount grocers, warehouse clubs, or local markets can offer lower prices on certain items. Additionally, consider generic or store brand products. These often provide the same quality as name brand items but at a lower price. Don't be afraid to try different brands and see which ones offer the best value for your money. Remember, small savings on each item can add up to substantial savings on your overall grocery bill. By making price comparison a habit, you'll ensure that you're always getting the best deal possible. So, before you head out for your next grocery run, take a few minutes to compare prices and plan your shopping trip accordingly. This simple practice can lead to significant savings over time. Generic or store brands often offer the same quality as name brands but at a lower price. Many generic products are made by the same manufacturers as their branded counterparts, just with different packaging. Next time you're shopping, give generic brands a try. Start with items where the difference is likely to be minimal, such as pantry staples like flour, sugar, pasta, and canned goods. You might be surprised at how similar they are in taste and quality. For products where taste or performance is more critical, like snacks, cereals, or cleaning supplies, experiment to find generic options that you like. Often, the store brand will be just as good, if not better, than the name brand. Switching to generic brands for even a few items in your cart can add up to big savings over time. On average, you can save anywhere from 10% to 30% on your grocery bill by choosing generic products. Don't forget to read the labels and compare ingredients. You might find that the generic brand has the same or even better nutritional value than the name brand. Additionally, some stores offer satisfaction guarantees on their store brands, so if you try a generic product and don't like it, you can often return it for a refund. Making this simple change can free up extra money in your budget that you can use for other priorities or savings. So next time you're at the store, reach for the generic brands and see how much you can save. Avoid shopping when hungry. Never go grocery shopping when you're hungry. Studies have shown that shopping on an empty stomach can lead to impulse buying and purchasing more than you need. When you're hungry, you're more likely to be tempted by snacks and high-calorie foods that aren't on your shopping list. Before you head to the store, eat a snack or a meal to curb your hunger. This will help you stay focused on your list and make better choices. You'll be less likely to grab items that look appealing in the moment but aren't necessary for your meal plan. It's also helpful to shop during times when the store is less crowded. When you're not rushed or stressed by crowds, you can take your time to make thoughtful decisions and stick to your budget. By shopping with a full stomach, you'll be more disciplined and less likely to give in to those impulse buys that can quickly add up. This simple habit can save you a significant amount of money over time and help you stick to your financial goals. Utilize shopping apps to make the most of your grocery shopping. Apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, and those from specific stores can help you find the best deals, earn cash back, and keep track of your spending. For example, Ibotta offers rebates on various products when you upload your receipt. Rakuten provides cash back for purchases made through their app. Many stores also have their own apps that offer exclusive discounts, digital coupons, and loyalty rewards. These apps can help you save money by alerting you to current promotions and providing easy ways to track your spending. They also often feature price comparisons and can show you where to find the best deals nearby. By incorporating these tools into your shopping routine, you can streamline your grocery shopping, find additional savings, and make more informed purchasing decisions. Start using shopping apps today and watch how they can help you cut down on your grocery expenses. Implementing these strategies can make a big difference in your grocery expenses and help you save money every month. Start by planning your meals, making a shopping list, using coupons, buying in bulk, comparing prices, choosing generic brands, avoiding shopping when hungry, and leveraging shopping apps. These tips can help you stretch your budget further and make more out of your grocery spending. Start applying these techniques today to see the savings add up. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips on managing your money. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!